Let's create a flag animation in Blender. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. First, add a plane, scale it in the Y-axis. Go to Edit Mode and subdivide it, depending on what your computer can handle. Go back to the Object mode, then rotate the plane on the Y-axis by pressing R, Y, then 90. Go to the Physics properties and enable Cloth Physics. Press play to see if the simulation works. Good. Go to Edit Mode, then go to the Side View and select these last few vertices. After that, go to the Vertex group and click on the plus icon to add a group, then assign it. Go back to the Physics tab, then scroll down under Shape, Pin Group, then select the Vertex group. Now press play to see if it works. Nice.
We need wind to blow the flag. Press Shift A and scroll down to the force field and choose wind. Scale it up and rotate it on the X-axis.
Now when you press play, you will see that the animation is not smooth. So select the flag, then right-click, choose Shade Smooth, go to the Modifiers tab, and add a subsurface modifier. Select the wind again, go to Physics properties and increase the strength to 1500 or 2000. Now press play to see how Blender does its magic. The animation is good, but the flag still collides. Let's fix that. Go to the Physics properties and scroll down to Collisions and enable Self Collisions. Press play again. Let's add the Blender logo to our flag. Go to the Shading tab, create a new material. Add an image texture, select the image texture, and press Ctrl-T to enable the Node Wrangler. Now add the Blender logo or any image you have. If your image is stretched like this, go to the UV editing, then select the flag and rotate it by 90 degrees on the X-axis. Now scale it on the Y-axis. Go back to the Shading tab. On the image texture, change the Repeat to Extend. That's it, guys. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button.